Hi, my dear students. Welcome to online classes here. Hope you all are fine. This is Kavita here. I'm going to teach you a subject of computer related subject here. In this subject, today we are going to be learn about the classification of computers. Classification means here how the computer is going to be divided. That means the types of computer is here digital, analog, hybrid. This is known as here supercomputer. Okay, this is known as here mainframe computer. Mainframe computer, this is known as here personal computer. This is known as here PC. We are going to be called it as here PC handheld. Now it going to be called it as. And let us see the classification of computers according to the size, according to the technology, according to the purpose. The classification is going to be divided. According to the classification of size, it has so many computers: super, mainframe, mini, workstation, and microcomputer and personal computer. Now what computer we are going to be used here? Personal computer. Supercomputer is a very large computer. It is a widely used scientific applications. All the scientists can be used these applications, and the use large calculations can be done by this supercomputer. The size of supercomputer is very more compared to the all computers. Okay, it going to be used only by the universities and the governments and the agencies and the large businessmen. And the mainframe computers are usually very slower and less powerful and less expensive. These mainframe computer is going to be used in the banking sectors, and it going to be give the storage capacity is also very high. It going to give the input output and the storage. The all the thousands of users is going to be used by mainframe computers, and the expensive is also very less compared to the supercomputer. Mainframe computer is used in a large organizations where many users need to access. The mainframe also used for e-commerce. E-commerce means here online business, and the services. Handle the transaction means here banks. Mini computer is not nothing but what computers we are going to be used here right now, that we are going to be call it as here mini computers. The mini computers are much smaller than mainframe computers, and they are also much less expensive, and they can still have many terminals but not as many as mainframe computer. A mainframe computer may used in the network services and the internet services. Workstation means here in generally, if you wanted to take a ticket, we can also be taken by a computer also. That means here platform ticket. All this can be done by a workstations. Only single person can be worked on at a time on the that computer. It is a small computer. The fraction of 10 times that has in the PC. The speed of this workstation is more heavier than the other computer. Is it clear, all of you? And the next one is here in the mainframe in the sorry in the workstations are used for task and the required all these things we are going to be used. And the microcomputer is smallest and less expensive of all computers. Microcomputer smallest memory and less power and physically smaller and permit favor to visual. Microcomputers are, it is also called as a PCs, notebook, iPod. All these computers are going to be called as here micro computer. Micro means here very small. It can be moved from one place to another very easily. The laptop can also be moved in the one place to other. And these microcomputers are generally whatever computer we are doing in the many ways means here micro computer. Okay, and the next here the size is here also very small, and it is also called as a pieces. And like according to the technology, the computer is classified according to the technology: analog, digital, hybrid. Analog means here like this waves, we are going to be call it as here like this. Temperature, how we are going to, temperatures, pressure, speed can only be calculated by analog. That means here like these waves we are going to be get, that is known as analog computer. And these analog computer will have voltage, pressure, speed, and the temperature. Automobiles speedometer, thermometer, all are worked by analog computers. Okay, and this is analog computer. Let us see, this is known as here analog computer. And what is mean by digital means here, Miku, let us see here. I will tell you one example, best example for this here. See here, analog computer means your watch is there. Two types of watches we have. One is digital watch, other one is here analog watch. Analog means it rotated, the pins will be rotated to 1 2 3 4, move to the 1 2 3 4. Regarding to that we are going to check the time. But where it is in the digital, where it is in the digital, what we are going to do here, in the digital we are going to get a number. Okay, we are going to get a number. In the same way, in the digital computers we are going to get only two numbers, zeros and ones. Zero means low, zero means off, one means on anamata. That means here 0 means low or off, 1 means high or on. High accuracy, that means it going to give the accuracy of the answers, it going to be give. That is the use of here digital computer. Example, the computer use the purpose of business, education, and also be can be used. Hybrid computer, the combination of favor analog and the digital computer is known as a hybrid both analog and the digital computers can be combined, that is known as hybrid computer. These hybrid digital components that accept all the computers. Hybrid computers used in the hospitals to measure the heartbeat of the patients, that is used to measure the heartbeat of patients. The purpose means here general purpose and special purpose. The classification of computer according to the general purpose means here మన తగ్గట్టుగా మనం కంప్యూటర్ యూజ్ చేసుకునేది జనరల్ పర్పస్. ఓకే, అందరికీ యూజ్ అయ్యేది, దట్ మీన్స్ జనరల్ పర్పస్ we are going to be used. Next one what we have here, general purpose what we are going to be used. ATM is a computer, right? It going to be used by all purpose. This machine is capable to carry the general data process under the programming control. Everyone can be used in general purpose. Is it clear? And personal thing means here, that is known as here special purpose means here. Here the characteristics of computer, that means the characteristics under the, it going to be generated in the personal way. That means here